Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video le apnalogok swagatom janaisu. So start koru. Okay, first what ki koise global animation. So IIT Guwahati students jikile the first prize at the prestigious 24-hour contest 2025. Etu eta international 24-hour animation challenge hoy. Organize kune korise Toon Boom animation e. Thik ase tat jikise kune students from IIT Guwahati. ঠিক আছে আৰু এই কন্টেষ্টত পাৰ্টিসিপেট কৰিছে from 185 institution across 35 countries hello sorry ha mic to অলপ problem দি আছে so IIT Guwahati team to guide কৰিছিলে Dr. Mriganko Madhukalya from the Department of Design triumph over 764 teams and 3,820 students worldwide with their short film based on the theme Flip Your Perspective. ঠিক আছে আৰু এই যোনটো টিম জিকিছে মানে IIT Guwahati টিমটোৱে পাব passes পাব to the Toronto Animation Art Festival International 2026 আৰু mentorship sessions পাব from Disney animators. ঠিক আছে মনৰ ৰাখিবা কোনে জিকিলে IIT Guwahati. Okay, the students of which Indian institute won the first prize at the 24-hour contest 2025 an international animation challenge organized by Toon Boom Animation. Kune jikile IIT mentorship session pabo kar pora Disney animation or pora. Thik ase so next to sao ami AI and ML. So artificial intelligence aru machine learning are reshaping industries governance and daily life across the globe. So AI aru ML e ki korise etia amar daily life reshape korise aru logote industries governance ebur sub sector reshape korise change korise. Thik ase in a good way. Okay, in a good way korise. Recently global so AI technology responsible use kenege koribo pora jai koribo lagibo hetu uporot emphasis korise mane hetu upor importance dise karon AI jodi misuse kore it can be very dangerous hoy na jodi ethical way equitable and responsible way AI use kora hoy tetia yakse bhal eku nai kintu jodi misuse kora hoy ta yakse dangerous o eku nai. Thik ase inclusive innovation while addressing risk related to bias, misinformation and job displacement. Experts believe that AI and ML can transform life if guided with ethics, equality of issue di ase de mic to I am very sorry. So you are related at MCQ sound Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Hello. Okay, I'm very sorry. Our mic to all problem hoise etia change kori loa hol. Okay, let's continue. So kora aslo ami. Okay, with reference to AI intelligence and machine learning, consider the following statement. So yaar amak tinta statement dise kun gita correct hoy sabo lage. So first to ki koise AI and ML can enhance decision making in governance, healthcare and education through predictive style, predictive analytics. So AI aru ML ki koribo pare decision making to enhance koribo pare in governance, healthcare and education through predictive analytics. So statement 1 is correct. Tutu ki koise India's AI for all initiative is implemented under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So AI for all initiative to implement kora hoise under ki Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So this is correct. Monot rakhiba, thik ase. The ethical governance of AI is guided globally by UNESCO recommendation on ethics of ethics of artificial intelligence. I'm very sorry. Actually, mic to problem ho gol, distract to hoy bolu. Okay. So statement 3 to correct hoy, so ye gute gita correct hoy, so 1, 2 and 3 correct hobo, thik ase. Next. Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan. So itia Assam government distribute korise checks to thousands of women entrepreneurs. So Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan to ki asile je SHG mane self help groups or junkini women members thakibo, junkini members e ki koribo bisaribo nije kiba ta koribo bisaribo, kiba business horu business start koribo bisaribo, teolukok 10,000 up to 10,000 first phase of assistance government dibo boli koisile aru hetue etia dia hoise under the Mukhya Mantri Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan Chief Minister's Women Entrepreneurship Scheme to promote self-employment. Etwe ki koribo bisarise self-employment promote koribo bisarise aru financial independence among women. Thik ase. The scheme implemented by the Department of Pune implement kora hoise Department to ki Department of Women and Child Development aru implement kora hoise by Department of Women and Child Development, and it provides financial assistance up to 10,000 in the first phase to eligible members, women members of self-help groups for starting micro enterprises. Thik ase. So first phase ot kiman dibo 10,000 dibo, tar pisot jodi ako apply kore tetia 25,000 enike assistance dia hobo. So bhalke ei scheme to bikhoy aru olop in depth study koriba tumaloke, scheme khini bahut important hoy. Thik ase. It aims to main aim to ki to strengthen rural economy, encourage women led startups and make Assam a hub of small scale women entrepreneurs. Thik ase, yaar related data MCQ sound. Okay, with reference to Mukhya Mantri Mahila Udyamita Abhiyan launched by the government of Assam, consider the following statement. So sarita statement dise kun gita correct hoy sabo lage. First, okay, the scheme aims to provide financial support to women entrepreneurs belonging to self-help groups. Jonkini ei good thake je gootor members khini mane self-help groups or members hobo lagibo eligible hobo karone aru তেওঁলোকে কিবা যদি স্টার্ট কৰে তেতিয়া ফাইনান্সিয়াল অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্স দিয়া হ'ব এই স্কিমটো সহায় আন্ডাৰত ঠিক আছে সো 1 ইজ কারেক্ট 2 কি কৈছে ইট ইজ ইমপ্লিমেন্টেড বাই ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ উইমেন এন্ড চাইল্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট এটো কারেক্ট হয় 3 কি কৈছে the scheme provides an initial financial assistance of 10,000 to each eligible beneficiary to promote self employment. This is also correct. This is also correct. 4 ki koise it is a central government initiative under Ministry of Rural Development. Eto incorrect because this is not a central government initiative. It is the initiative launched by Government of Assam. Amar question today koi dise hoy na. So 4 to not correct. 1 2 3 correct hobo option A. Okay, next spotless baron. So it was a rare butterfly species hoy the spotless baron buli jak koy by Euthelia recta has been spotted again in Jonggu North Sikkim or ako dekha goise after a gap of 5 years 5 bosorer pisot thik ase the sighting was made by nature conservationist Sonam Wangchuk reaffirming Jonggu's ecological richness and its status as a biodiversity hotspot in eastern Himalayas. The butterfly is known for its elusive nature and the absence of white spots that usually marks its close relative. So this is spotless baron, a rare butterfly species. ঠিক আছে? Kot dekha goise? Kot in which Indian state? Option C, Sikkim. Next, diversifying beyond paddy. So the Union Cabinet has approved mission for Atmanirbharta in pulses to achieve self-sufficiency in India's pulse production. The 11,440 crore mission aims to increase production to kiman increase korbo bicharise 350 lakh tons and benefit over 2 crore farmers ঠিক আছে through improved seeds infrastructure and assured procurement ঠিক আছে for Assam this mission holds major importance as it seeks to diversify agriculture beyond paddy promote intercropping and introduce high yield climate resilient pulse varieties suitable for safe climatic zones ঠিক আছে ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ চাও which with reference to mission for Atmanirbharta in pulses consider the following statements. The mission aims to achieve self-sufficiency in pulses by producing 350 lakh tons by 2030 to 31. So this is correct. 2 ki koise it seeks to promote region specific pulse varieties through seed authentication traceability and holistic inventory Sati portal. So this is also correct. 3 ki koise Assam is one of the major pulse producing states of India contributing nearly 10% of national output. This is not correct. It is not a major pulse producing state. So Assam currently imports pulses, not a major producer. ঠিক আছে so 3 to incorrect hobo. First duta correct hoy 3 to incorrect hoy 4 to ki koise the mission involves the distribution of certified seeds and encourage intercropping to diversify farming beyond paddy. Okay, this is also correct. So 1 2 and 4 correct hobo, that is option B. So here is the main question tomaloke practice koriba. That's all for today. Thank you.